So something that can be helpful for starting practice is to reduce the friction or to reduce the kind of barriers that are in the way of us starting practice. And these can be kind of physical barriers. So if you come back from your lesson, it might be nice to take your music out and put it on the music stand so that you can see it ready to practice. Because perhaps if you're not really feeling like practicing, that extra step of having to walk to your instrument case, take out the music, put it on the stand is just too much. And we can also take some of the decisions out of our practice. So we can have a routine that starts our practice that we don't have to think about. We can have a set of exercises that we always turn to warm up into our practice so that we don't have to make these really difficult decisions right at the beginning of our practice. So it's easy. We've got our music there. We can take our instrument out of our case and we play through these opening exercises that we've memorized. So whatever you can do to reduce the friction of starting that day's practice is really going to help you not have to have those arguments with yourself about whether you are going to practice or not. You've made it much easier for you to say, yes, I'm going to practice. I'm going to practice today. I'm going to practice right now. Hi, I'm Erica. I am a musician and music teacher, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more practice tips, motivation, and inspiration. And also share this video with any friends who are also practicing music. And finally, if you like, you can stick around for a short meditation at the end of this video to prepare you for a great day's practice. So happy practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So we're going to take a few minutes to prepare for practice, to relax the body and the mind. You can take out your instrument, have any music, books, pencils ready. Then you can sit or stand with your instrument or without. And we're going to start with a soft focus in the eyes. Bring your awareness to the space you're in. Notice any sounds in the room, any smells. And then with the next exhale, closing the eyes. And we bring our awareness in to our bodies, feeling the weight of the body on the chair, or feeling the feet connected with the floor, maybe feeling the instrument in your hands, its texture under your fingers. And then bringing the awareness further in still to the breath and to the place where you feel it. Maybe the nose, the throat, the chest, the diaphragm. Feeling the rise of each inhale and the release of each exhale. And as you notice the breath, on each exhale, letting every muscle in your body release just a little bit more. Each exhale brings more relaxation to the body and more stillness to the mind. And if thoughts arise, just let them do what it is they want to do. Maybe they float by, maybe they stay. Just bringing your awareness back to the breath, back to each inhale and to the release of the exhale. Every breath, relaxing the muscles in the body just a tiny bit more. And then bringing the awareness back out to the body, to the weight of the body in the chair, the feeling of your feet connected to the floor, the feeling of your instrument under your fingers. Then bringing the attention further out into the space, noticing any sounds in the room, however small they might be. And then gently blinking the eyes open, ready to start practice for the day.